Get ready for a spectacular show. Witness colossal chainsaws and monstrous machinery face off against unbelievable challenges. With lightning-fast speed and extraordinary power, they bring down towering trees and uproot massive stumps, showcasing the pinnacle of technology and bold daring in forest management. Let's embark on this thrilling journey together. Nature is a true masterpiece, yet there are moments when human decisions leave me puzzled. Why cut down such a magnificent giant? Was it shading pedestrians or providing oxygen? Whatever the justification, it makes you reflect on our role in this world and the legacy we leave behind.
Holy, that was scary as hell. I'm so relieved he's fine. If that tree had been bigger, he could have been done for.
You are now witnessing the EOG 688E harvester, equipped with a Volvo Penta D8 engine delivering 286 horsepower, approximately 210 kilowatts, and exceptional visibility in dense forest conditions. When combined with the Warata H415 harvesting head, which uses the Timite H16 measurement and control system, operators can achieve remarkable accuracy and efficiency. Did this video impress you? If yes, leave a comment below. This driver has nerves of steel, no doubt about it. The entire scene is shaking like a jelly donut bouncing on a trampoline. You can almost sense the tension through the screen. Will he pull it off or not? Keep watching to find out. I've been bucking logs for years, and let me tell you, it's a humbling craft that keeps you on your toes. No matter how much you plan, each log has its own story, and every cut is a calculated risk. You have to honor the wood, understand the powerful forces at play, and stay sharp. Because when those logs start to shift, they couldn't care less about your experience. iPilato's TM1200 and TB900 set the standard for cutting-edge firewood processing technology. The TM1200, powered by a robust 22-kilowatt motor and delivering a 22-ton cutting force, seamlessly processes logs up to 47 inches in diameter with efficiency and ease. Enhancing this capability, the TB900 offers a formidable 40-ton splitting force, adjustable to produce firewood down to a precise 0.79 inches in size. Together, these machines blend power and precision, optimizing productivity for high-demand firewood operations. Oh wow, this guy seems like a true professional. He clearly knows exactly what needs to be done to make tree cutting go as smoothly as possible. Those cuts are really clean. Don't be misled by the compact design of the A124. This tractor is a powerhouse. Strength, absolutely. Agility, without a doubt. And that incredible crane, check twice. With a robust AGCO Power 44 AF engine delivering 124 horsepower and 500 newton-meters of torque, it pairs seamlessly with the Palms trailer and crane 7.86 for exceptional lifting capacity and maneuverability. Watch as this operator skillfully tackles each branch with the wood chipper, effortlessly slicing through even the thickest limbs. This machine handles branches up to 200 millimeters in diameter with ease, delivering an impressive output of up to 14 cubic meters of firewood per hour. Powered by a John Deere tractor, it showcases the perfect blend of strength and precision. This tool is indispensable for anyone needing to process large volumes of wood quickly and efficiently. Can you believe this machine can cut wood as thin as paper? The Steel MS500i, equipped with a 79.2cc engine and 6.7 horsepower, stands out thanks to its electronic fuel injection system, delivering exceptional cutting performance. Watching each cut in action is truly impressive, don't you think? Think about it. You're driving a truck, navigating through rugged, winding roads, handling steep slopes, and hauling massive logs like it's nothing. That engine hums in sync with nature, and you feel like you're mastering something truly grand. It's not just a job, it's an experience. Man, this Stump is kicking his butt. The Komatsu 931XC truly redefines performance. Combined with the C144 harvesting head, it brings unmatched efficiency and power to the field. With a 6-cylinder AGCO powered diesel engine producing 255 horsepower, it can conquer any terrain. The 180-degree rotating cabin crane ensures seamless operation even in the most challenging conditions. Designed for durability, the C144 head minimizes tree damage while maximizing yield, making this machine a true workhorse. That log is a clear and present danger, and our goal is to eliminate the threat with minimal risk. Notice how he analyzes the lean, calculates the fall direction, and controls the tree's descent. This is a calculated operation, not a game of chance. Unless you have the necessary expertise, I strongly advise against attempting this. Transporting these massive logs demands precision, a deep understanding of the vehicle, sharp awareness of road conditions, and respect for the load. These drivers make it look effortless, but it's a high-stakes dance. Every maneuver carries calculated risks and showcases their exceptional skill. Truly remarkable, right, folks? The only thing this guy has going for him is his uncanny luck. Do you know what the art of tree felling is all about? Get ready to witness expert-level technique and unleash your inner lumberjack. I know what you're thinking. How exciting can debarking wood really be? But trust me, The SLH-1200 is an impressive machine, equipped with a powerful 22 kilowatt motor, about 30 horsepower, that efficiently handles logs up to 1200 millimeters in diameter. It's like watching a ballet of precision and power. You can feel the energy as it strips away the bark, revealing the hidden beauty within. You know, folks, working in the forest is much like life itself, a journey of highs and lows. There are days that fill your heart with joy and pride, and others when you're just pushing through the struggle. Yet in the end, what truly counts is that everyone makes it home safe. To me, that's the greatest triumph we can hope for. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button for more exciting content. Don't forget to click on the video at the corner of the screen to check out more captivating videos. See you in the next one.